Hello, my name is Fire Engine Red. I am a red cherry crawfish. Would you please keep the camera straight, Mr. Cameraman? This cherry red crayfish is about to do some pole dancing, if I can convince him to go. Okay, there's your tone, crayfish. Go ahead and do that pole dancing you promised everyone you would do. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Do the pole dancing. See that pole over there on the left? That's what you're going to perform. Come on. I know you can do it. You can do it. What, do you need a little motivation? Yes, I need some motivation. I need more people to see me. First, let me show you how big my claws are. Yeah. I'm just like a big red crane, ready to choke the crap out of that pole. Well, I'm going towards it now. I'm going towards it. Almost there. But first, I got to show you all my abs. I got some great abs. Watch this. Rippling muscles. Look at that. Talk about six packs. I got more than that. Look at these six packs. They're not only there, they're just rippling. Yeah. I'm a pretty cool crayfish. And now I'm going to grab the pole. There you go. You see? I can do it. Yeah. I'm too sexy now. And there I go. Cameraman, would you please keep the camera still? There I go. Yeah. I can do it. Hey, I'm over here. Okay, thank you, people. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, I love you all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for seeing my show. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you all again. I love you. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, folks, that's it. Nothing more to see. Thank you. I love you. Come see me again. Just remember, I am the cherry red crayfish, none other than the only pole dancer. Bye.